What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, I told you guys we're going to do this. We are going through the Manhattan Tunnel and we're about to floor this thing and go crazy. But let me know again in the comments down below what you guys think. I told you guys if we get 100 likes, we're going to do it. And today is that day. We're going to go ahead and do that. I appreciate everybody's recent support. We are literally about to hit 1,500 subscribers as of right now when I'm recording this video. I cannot believe that you guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you all so much for the recent support. But we're about to go do this. We're about to go through the tunnel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And again, I don't think this car sounds amazing. It's the best car out there. I'm just doing this because, you know, it's my car and you guys do love to see me do this. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Make sure you guys smash the like button if you are new to the channel. Subscribe and post notifications on because we got a whole bunch more bangers coming. We're going to be posting once a week bangers. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see me do next. And let's get straight into it. We're probably like 15-20 minutes away from the tunnel. In the last video I showed you guys how I actually have the POV cam set up. But if you guys do want to see how I set it up and everything, go in my last video that I posted about me getting gas, and you guys will be able to see that easily. But once we get to the tunnel, we're going to pull the windows down and everything so you guys are able to hear this. I don't know why you guys want to hear it, but fuck it, we're going to do it for you guys. I was also talking to you guys about like resting my hand on the shift knob. So many of you were saying, oh, it doesn't damage the transmission at all. So many of you were saying it will. I don't know, but I'm just not gonna do any more just in case. But we had some people thinking this thing has a CVT transmission. But I mean, I guess, I don't know if you guys can see this thing. It does have paddle shifters, but it's an 8-speed automatic. It's not a CVT. I forgot, there's no traffic right now, so like, we're literally gonna get to the tunnel ASAP. Big ass bounce here. Oh fuck. Honestly, driving on this highway is pretty lit. I think I'm gonna come here like more often for videos. Shit is crazy. the tunnel. We're gonna chill before we, like, a little bit before we get to the tunnel, because I know there's always cops chilling over there. I don't know if it's a little police station or whatever it is, but there's literally nobody here. I don't know if you guys are able to see the buildings in the back, but it's a crazy view. Yo, we definitely gotta get in the left lane. I've never been in the left lane. Every time I come to this tunnel, like, I'm always, for some reason, getting in the right lane. There's always traffic, but we're here, like, kind of late night, so I don't think there's gonna be any traffic, hopefully. We just got a speed pass. Hopefully there's no cops. If you guys watched the last video, you guys saw what we had on the car. We're totally not avoiding any tolls or nothing. We don't have the plate cover on. But if you guys have any questions about that, you can hit me up. But we're about to get in the tunnel right now. There's a bunch of cops here. Holy shit. Nah, we're good, we're good. Alright, we're about to open the windows and everything for you guys. We're getting in right now. Yo. Oh, yeah, we're getting pulled. We're fucked. Oh, he's looking at me crazy. Yeah, we're fucked. Oh, nah, he better not be coming, bro. Alright, you guys thought it was done, but we're going back the other way in the same tunnel. I told you guys we're gonna go crazy if you guys get that video to 100 likes, but that video literally has over 1,000 likes, which is crazy. You know what we'll do? We're gonna come back to Manhattan and go to Times Square, and actually, like, we're gonna have the windows on everything and push this shit in Times Square. So if you guys get this video to 500 likes, we'll come back and go in Manhattan through the city and do that. But if you guys get this video to 500 likes, we're gonna come back and go through Times Square and floor this thing. We're most likely gonna get pulled over, but hopefully not when we do that. But yeah, this car's insanely loud and through the city. People are gonna go crazy with the pops and everything. But we're going back through the tunnel the other way. Holy shit. If we get pulled over on the way there, that'll be funny.
Continue straight for 11 minutes.
Nah, no way they're doing construction in the fucking tunnel, bro. Because it's definitely gonna be cops right here. Nah, there was a cop here. There was a cop right here when we came. Ah, yo, that's enough. That's fucking crazy. Yo, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about how the car sounds through that tunnel. It's definitely loud as hell with the pops. A lot of you asked me last video, like, why am I putting 93 in a Camry? But the car is tuned. It's tuned with burbles, pops and bangs, let's say. The car has an exhaust, intake, catless headers, tune. We took off the secondary cat and the resonator. So this thing is basically straight pipe, but I still have the mufflers that are on the catback exhaust. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of how it sounded. And if you guys do want to see me go to Times Square and go through Manhattan and actually go crazy with this car, push it, and get this video right here to 500 likes, and we'll do that for you guys. yeah, we're gonna chill for the rest of the ride back. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe if you are new, because if this video gets 500 likes, we're gonna post that video going to Times Square. It's gonna go crazy. But let me know if you guys want to see that and what type of videos you guys want to see me do next. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.